Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another clean with me video. This is just cleaning after the weekend. We made a pretty big breakfast on Sunday, so I just wanted to clean everything up, get everything taken out of the dishwasher, and really scrub down the counters. Usually way cleaner than what it is now. Normally I always pick up after we're done eating or done cooking breakfast or anything like that, just because I don't like such a big mess, but this was just not one of those days I did that, so I had extra stuff to do and I had to clean out the sink and put all the dishes away, and so that is what I'm doing right now.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around.
And for my countertops, I always use a Method all-purpose cleaner. This one is in grapefruit, and I do recommend this one. I absolutely love the smell of this. And then I always just use a microfiber cloth. I got this one from Grove Collaborative, and I absolutely love these.
I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
And finally, the first appearance of our new table. There were so many people who asked me why my table wasn't in my Christmas home tour. Well, it was because we got 2 broken tables in the mail before we even got one that was even in good condition. So we finally have it. It's all put together. I did get mixed match chairs and stuff like that, so I'll probably show different views and stuff of that later on. But right now, I just wanted to clean everything up and get everything straightened up. There's just toys all over and stuff that we always play with in the morning. And then now that 2 of our rooms are clean, I am just going to be doing the kitchen floor this day. I use a vinegar cleaner, and then I'm just using spearmint essential oil. This one smells so good, and it made my house smell amazing. This is the one that I'm probably going to use more often just because I really did like the smell of it, and it did drown out the vinegar in the best way possible. But I'm just using the Bissell Crosswave. This is what I always clean with. I absolutely love this, and I don't have much to say bad about it, except I can't clean this rug with it. If you can't already tell, it's such a pain, so I usually just take the vacuum to it, and then if I really have to clean it, I'll just throw it in the washer.
Acting out like strangers, scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes, so change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
And this is the next day. I was just done cleaning that day. I was just over it. So I just did one room of the house, and at least the kitchen was still clean the next day, so I didn't have to go back and do it. But right now I'm just using the Wood for Good polish by Method, and I'm just going over our buffet table and cleaning all of this and wiping it all down. I really needed to dust this day, so I did our entire downstairs, and whew, it was so nice having that all done.
Let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go. I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known. I should have known.
And while I was finishing cleaning the dining room, Presley was playing in here, so this is like super messy, and right now we got most of our gifts underneath the tree and stuff like that, so it is getting pretty crowded and cramped in here, especially with all the gifts, but I didn't want them in my bedroom anymore. I was getting so sick of not being able to vacuum and clean in there, so they started coming down here, so now I won't be able to clean and vacuum around them down here. But regardless, Christmas is only in a few short days, so I don't really mind, but I just want to get everything dusted, so I'm going to do the TV stand, and then I'm also going to mop the floors. Also, this company called Audew was kind enough to send this cordless vacuum to me. I was super excited about this because my cordless vacuum broke, so I was just using my regular vacuum. I love this. It's super lightweight and handheld, and I love it. It works great for like furniture or your car. I honestly cannot wait to use it for my car because it's filthy, but it is actually really, really powerful. I was really impressed by that. And it's supposed to be great for a pet hair eraser, which I am all for because we have pet hair all over our house, so I wasn't like too upset that it will work on pet hair, and it really does. It's amazing. I vacuumed our couch with it, and we had a lot more pet hair on here than I thought we did, but since this is so lightweight, I was able to do the our top cushion is where our dog will sneak and lay on there, and it brought out so much hair. This was super, super awesome. And also, it can be recharged, which I love that it can be recharged. And it didn't even take that long, but when it's fully charged, it will have a blue light. And if it's charging, it will have a red light. And also, this has a built-in LED light. So if there's dark places that you need to clean, it's almost like you can clean at night. So I thought that was also really, really cool. And then it also has a durable stainless steel filter. So this little vacuum was the best thing to clean my stairs with. It did take a little bit longer, but I think it did suck up a lot more than just my regular vacuum did, just because it's super powerful and super lightweight, so it didn't really seem that bad, even though I know it took just a little bit longer. But I love this for the stairs, then I don't have to carry my big vacuum up and down here. I am super obsessed with this right now, and like I was like super excited to actually vacuum my stairs. I really dread this more than anything. Like this is the worst thing that you have to clean. Like I would rather clean our toilet or our shower, but like the stairs is the very, very worst thing. But anyways, if you guys want to check this little vacuum out, I will leave the links in the description box below so you'll be able to check that.
Let me go, go, let me go. Let me go, go, go.
The very last thing that I'm going to be doing is just mopping the living room floor. I didn't move everything out like I normally do just because there's so many presents and stuff around, so I thought that I could even take like the little vacuum and just kind of go around places that I missed. But that is it for my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope this gave you some kind of cleaning motivation. I'm really trying to get to cleaning this week so we can just enjoy the holiday, and then I can enjoy when Scarlett has time off school. I absolutely cannot wait for that week and a half. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should